Hello, it's Richard Wilson here. Just got done speaking in Park City, Utah. And I wanted to record a short video. 2 Tuesdays ago, we closed a $30 million deal with a multi-billion-dollar REIT. We've also gotten many other co-GP JV deals done between larger real estate investment firms. And so we are looking for groups of real estate firms that have $1 billion plus in assets that would want to be part of a CRE investment club for $1 billion plus groups to explore more joint venture and more co-GP deals. So if you are someone that has a large balance sheet and you're looking for more deal flow from small to medium-sized sponsors, or if you are a group which is hungry for capital partners and you have amazing deal flow within your niche area, then let us know, because we're looking at what the interest level would be of having a $1 billion plus an AUM only kind of inner circle group or mastermind or membership that would be free to join, but the deal sourced through this specific network would be part of a co-GP agreement, so that we could connect all the $1 billion plus real estate groups we know to each other more fluidly and connect them for joint ventures and co-GP opportunities. So if that's of interest to you, please shoot me an email. It's just richard@commercialrealestate.com, or you can send me a text message at 305-333-1155.